change Facebook location settings. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your Facebook location settings. Well, the steps are pretty simple, so let me guide you through it with a quick video tutorial. Now, scroll down your notification bar and you'll find the option settings right here on the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it and head over to your phone settings. And if you scroll down below, you'll find the option apps. Now go ahead on it and scroll down, or you can simply search on the search bar for Facebook. You can see that I've got my Facebook here. And here you'll find the option permissions. Now tap on it. And if you scroll down below, you'll find the option location. And here you can change your location settings. You can see location access for this app. You can allow only while using the app, you can ask every time, and you can don't allow. Now select whichever you want and your settings will be changed. This way you can change Facebook location settings. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.